Alrighty, well, I decided just to come ahead into town even with the stripping transmission because I don't want to miss my opportunity to get to get the to get a picture of the thing here. I can hear them working down there. Let me see, I'll come over this way. Well, and we'll just see. Alrighty. Let's see where they're at now. There they are. There it is. Right. Kind of fascinating, really, when you look at it. Yeah, pretty neat. Oh, I can see a security man eyeing me up. I think I'm allowed to be here, though. I can't cross over into the construction zone, obviously. Yeah, but I should be fine here. And the walls came tumbling down. Yes, they did. It's kind of a sad day, really, eh? All that history gone, you know. But it happens. Anyway, this is the old water treatment plant in Smiths Falls, Ontario, Canada. It closed up. They built a new plant on the other side of the river, and they closed this one up. And then it got burnt inside anyway. A fire got started inside of it, and it just burnt everything. And it made it that it wasn't safe anyway. It was no longer stable. And of course, the money to fix it is just ain't there, you know. So there you have it. Looks like maybe somebody's coming down here to see me. Anyway, it's quite a thing to see, the process, you know, the end of the life of a building. Ah. Well, they seem a little touchy about me being here. The guy took my picture. He come down, he took my picture with his camera. I don't know if he thinks I'm going to target the water plant they're tearing down for a terrorist attack or what, but anyway, I am on a list after all, so it's possible. Anyway, There she is. All right, we'll see you later.